Good evening everyone, I'm Ronan Koster and this is your weekly UOWTV update. Tonight, a violent incident following a car collision in Engadine. UoW Pulse organised events on campus to support charity organisation Beyond Blue. Wollongong postcodes are the newest to be approved for solar panel grants. UOW's football season reaches a close and the Sharks play the Dragons at a sold-out WIN stadium. A man went on a stabbing spree in southern Sydney after a car crash on Sunday following a collision at an intersection in Engadine. The 58-year-old suspect allegedly attacked his partner with a box cutter before and after the crash. Bystanders intervened to help the situation, but several were injured during the altercation. The suspect, who fled and was later tasered by police, caused injuries to a police officer and others. Both the suspect and his partner were taken to hospital in a critical but stable condition. The incident led to road closures and a significant police response, leading to heavy traffic throughout the rest of the day. Mental health is a hot topic at University of Wollongong this week as UoW Pulse organised fundraising events to support the charity organisation Beyond Blue. The event organisers hope to use these events to raise a total of $1,000 towards the cause. Madison Arnold has more.
Pulse volunteers alongside UOW's Run Club are holding fundraising events on campus leading up to the Sydney Marathon, where two UOW runners hope to raise money and awareness for mental health organisation Beyond Blue.
Roughly 43% of Australians aged 16 to 85 will struggle with mental health at various stages throughout their lives, a number that isn't getting any smaller.
Commencing on September 4th, a treadmill competition will be held outside the university library, where students will have the chance to compete against each other and donate to charity.
We're trying to raise money for Beyond Blue, $500 for each of our two runners, so $1,000 total. But more so than that, we just want to raise awareness of the importance of mental health and the importance of destigmatising mental health and talking about it.
Pulse hopes that the awareness and money raised during these events will help those struggling with mental illness to gain access to necessary resources.
These events really bring to light a lot of the mental health issues that we have, especially with the younger generation. So raising awareness for these charities really help.
Event organisers urge the community to get involved with the upcoming events to assist them in reaching their donation target.
Just get involved. There's no harm that can be done from getting involved. If you don't want to donate or if you don't have the resources to donate, that's totally okay. Just come and say hi.
All donations made during these events will go towards Beyond Blue to better support Australians nationwide. Madison Arnold, UOWTV.
Solar power popularity is heating up in New South Wales as Wollongong postcodes become the newest to be approved for government grants. The grants aim to help residents go solar as a part of the Illawarra Solar Program. Alongside solar rebates, the 2024 initiative offers grants up to $4,500 to residents in eligible postcodes. The government hopes the program will inspire more Australians to use solar power as their main energy source. All New South Wales homeowners are eligible to apply for the grants. You can find more information at Australia Solar Connect. UOW FC are one of the many clubs vying for premiership titles in the coming weeks in the closing stages of the Illawarra soccer season. While both the first grade teams are out of the competition, the lower grade teams are still trying to secure a position in the finals.
With the football season drawing to a close, University of Wollongong FC is aiming to get as many teams through to their respective grand finals as possible. This goal was pushed closer by the men's youth grade team after their brilliant 3-1 win over Balgownie away from home.
Amazing. After a hard season, all the boys have put in the dedication, and it's finally come off and on to finals now.
The match did not start well for the team, missing 2 separate penalty shots and going behind 1-0 before half-time. However, 3 unanswered goals in the second half changed the momentum of the game and ensured that Uni would walk away with the 3 points. With this victory, the youth team has guaranteed themselves a spot in the final series, where they will be playing Thirroul in an elimination game. Before that, however, Uni does have one last regular season match against league leaders Shoalhaven, one that will be crucial as they head into the finals.
But we have given every other team a run for their money, and we are a team that they look at and go, that'll be a difficult game, and that's all I wanted.
With the regular season done and dusted, the teams now will turn their attention to the final series, where the challenges will get harder and the mountain will be harder to climb. Unfortunately, it hasn't been happy days for all teams, as the Uni's women's reserve grade team has been eliminated from their competition after defeat in the final series to Shell Harbour. However, reserves captain Jess Carman has said that whilst the season has been tough, there have been some real positive signs from the team.
It's been hard. We've been short numbers some weeks. The rain's made it really difficult. This is probably the first couple of weeks we've been back on our home pitch with the rain. So it has been rough, but we've had some really good moments as well. Like, we've come really close together as a club.
And whilst UOWFC's soccer season has not been perfect for the teams across all grades, the preparations for next season are already underway, with hope for widespread success throughout the whole club. Rory Beniuk, UOW Update.
What was a warm and cloudy Sunday afternoon in Wollongong saw a sold-out WIN stadium as thousands of Cronulla Sharks and Illawarra Dragon supporters eagerly turned up for this pivotal match of the NRL season.
It's really good to be on local ground, supporting the home team. Sharks are going down.
Always back the Sharkies to the end of the earth. Back the Sharks, I'll back them to win by and put on 50 points on the Dragons here tonight.
The game, full of action, ended with a subpar performance from the Dragons, who despite being up against a weakened Cronulla, only managed to score 2 tries, whilst Cronulla scored 7 and converted 5. This puts the Dragons' chances of making the finals in doubt, needing to beat the Parramatta Eels this Saturday in order to secure their top 8 position on the ladder. The Broncos, Dolphins, Knights and Raiders all keen to take that spot from them. Thanks for tuning in to your UOWTV update. I've been Ronan Koster, and we'll see you again next week.